We're having a look today at the latest from Wisenet, which was, I guess, used to be Samsung Security. This is the SmartCam D1 video doorbell. This thing is actually very cool. You have to have it professionally installed, but it's got a whole host of features that I think a lot of people would appreciate.
Well, you can try it yourself.
Yes, you do that.
I tried it, yeah.
Yeah, and how did that go?
Yeah, it worked. Yeah, but it was not easy.
No.
Took half a day.
I always half a day.
Yeah.
So I pay an electrician, you know, for about $80 and it's done.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, smart.
So this one looks like almost like a remote control. Yeah. A little bit thicker.
About the size of that, yeah.
But the features are fantastic. So you've got on the bottom a button for actually ringing the doorbell, so it'll work in conjunction with a door chime. But up here, they've got the camera. Yeah. So this is cool because with the app, you can actually see people when they ring your doorbell.
Yeah, and there's a couple cool features as well. I mean, yes, if they come up and they ring the doorbell, you can have a conversation with them. You can hear what they're saying. You can talk to them back. You can take deliveries, for example, from people like Amazon or whatnot. But what I also liked about it, it has facial recognition built into it. So what's cool about that is it will actually send you a notification if it recognizes the person who came home or doesn't recognize the person who came home, which is cool.
Yeah, imagine you've got a few kids and you want to know if they've arrived home safely. They're not going to necessarily ring the doorbell, but with the facial recognition, you can get an alert on your smartphone while at work and see that little Tommy did come home on time from school.
Yeah, and in terms of security, you can also have the ability, again, through the app to set up different zones. So maybe you don't want like every single person walking by your house to trigger the recording or the alarm, but you know, you might set up certain areas like just inside your gate or something like that, where maybe you want it to trigger some kind of alarm.
So it also has night vision built into it, 150-degree viewing angle, which is great, so it can kind of capture everything in your front yard. And it can also detect abnormal noises as well.
That's
so
cool.
It might not necessarily see something, but if some weird noise pops
like
up,
an alarm or something.
Yeah, you can actually have this activated and send you a notification as well. And you know, I love that feature. With the video doorbell, you can see and talk to the people at your front door, but they can't see you, which is kind of a cool thing.
Very cool. And you can do it from inside the house or even if you're at work, so because it works over the internet.
Again, this is from Wisenet. It's the SmartCam D1 video doorbell. It goes in the $250 range to $300 range, and you get more information at wisenetlife.com.
You notice how you can get different colored plates too?
That's pretty cool.
Match your handles.